sir.
Yeah, yeah, Surinder, good evening. You are a disciplined man. You come here every day on time.
Yes, sir. I can't miss your knowledge session. They are so valuable.
Okay.
Thank you for sparing time for us, sir.
Yeah, but what I'm surprised is ki this knowledge is available to others also, but they are not as interested as you are. You have a commitment.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
And
sir.
yeah, and this commitment will lead you to lot of I would say rewards and blessings in life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Hmm.
much.
Yeah. So fine, let's start. Okay.
Yes, sir. Let's get started, sir.
Yes. So you see, we need to understand that relaxation is the first primary goal to unleash the energy in the body, to tap the energy in the body, to open up our connection to deeper minds and deeper sources of energy, going up all the way up to universal energy and infinite energy. All of us are connected to these sources, but we do not know, we are not aware. Nobody has taught us. And we don't see people around us tapping into this energy. So we believe it does not exist. But if you read the ancient Shastras, if you read ancient literature of other civilizations, you will get to know that these energies exist and they have been used. And even now, some powerful people use them. One such major name for this kind of an energy is Tantra, where tantric energy is used to tap into the deeper energies, or you can say Shakti, and bring it out to manifest whatever you desire to manifest in the physical world outside as reality and not just mental energy. So, in the first exercise, we saw that we kept the body under control. In the second exercise, we kept the thoughts under control. And today, we will do these both. We will keep the body under control, calm, relaxed. We will keep the thoughts under control. We will not allow thoughts to come in as far as possible. And we will relax our muscles and nerves also so that we feel absolutely at peace. And once we do this, then the point in our body where the subconscious mind connects to the universal mind and the infinite mind, that point is the solar plexus. That point will now start getting energized. So, this exercise is the third in the series of three exercises. First, to put the body still. Second, to put the thoughts still. Third, to relax the body and the nerves, muscles and the nerves. And then we start working on the solar plexus. It will draw energy. And like a sun, it will send that energy all throughout our body. It will revitalize all our nerves, all our cells. It will remove all toxins from our body. It will give vitality to us. It will improve our immunity. It will give us long life. It will give us happiness. It will put us in a better state of mind. So, again, today, very simple. Sit in a comfortable chair or whatever comfortable position you have been sitting in so far. Should be preferably the same place, same room, or close the room. If you want to switch off the light, switch off the light, be comfortable, and remove all tension from the mind. Remove all mental unrest, all mental activity should be reduced. Remove all thoughts of worry, fear, anxiety, and relax the mind as much as possible. And once the mind is completely relaxed, then your mind has much more freedom. If the mind is not relaxed, then it is caught in traps, it is caught in blockages. So we have to relax the mind, rest the mind, so the mind can become free. And a free mind is a much more powerful mind. A free mind is much more creative mind, much more intuitive mind, much more intelligent mind. So in this exercise, we will try to reach that freedom of the mind. So have you understood what I have said?
Yes, I have understood, sir.
Okay. So we do it this for 15 minutes
Yes,
and
sir.
then we discuss what have you experienced. Okay. So you may please start now.
Yes, sir.
That's all.
Yes, I am back.
Yeah. So what was the experience in the mind?
It was of emptiness. and thoughtlessness,
Good,
where
very
it
good.
was a parallel world, where
Parallel world means?
parallel world means when we are in conscious state, we
Yeah,
are either talking to ourselves, listening to ourselves, or we are watching something. But in
okay,
this state, I felt that it is completely vacuum, it is completely empty, and it is completely
okay,
calm.
okay. You know what is this state called?
No, sir.
Okay. This is called the state of Swarupa. And in this state, the mind crosses, that means the consciousness crosses the manas, crosses the ahankara, and crosses the buddhi. That means, in English terms, the consciousness crosses over from the conscious mind to the subconscious mind to the universal mind and goes beyond. Now, when it goes beyond, it enters a state called Mool Prakriti. And the first three states, Manas, Ahankar, and Buddhi, is the Prakriti, or conscious mind, subconscious mind, and universal mind are the Prakriti. Prakriti means the manifested creation. And Mool Prakriti is the root, is the foundation of the manifested creation. It is unmanifested. We normally cannot see it. We cannot sense it. We cannot feel it. There is only silence there. And we don't see the world. We don't see any object. We don't have any feelings, emotions, thoughts. All that we see is our presence, ourself. So we are seeing our Swarupa. We are not seeing the Rupa, the roop of the worldly objects, worldly thoughts. We are seeing the roop of the self. This is a high state. Not many people reach this state. And this is what probably explains your commitment and discipline, because people who are committed, people who are highly disciplined, have brought the mind under control, and they can reach this state. So a person like you is able to enjoy a happy life, good health, loving relationships. He is usually satisfied and contented, and he is a contributor in other people's lives. He believes in charity. He is compassionate, sort of a holy man, loves being virtuous, गुणकारी होता है और वो बुरे लोगों से दूर रहता है. जो बुरी ताकतें होती है उनसे डिस्टेंस बनाए रखता है. And he is usually not into bad habits. Such a person usually does not lie, does not keep a lot of possessions, does not steal from anybody else, is usually non-violent, is not very sexually aggressive, operating in a limited environment, usually likes a neat, clean body, neat, clean workplace, satisfied, believes in disciplining himself more and more, likes to study about who he is, his various minds, his spirit, the physical world. So he is interested in the science of who am I. He likes to know himself as a human being more and more. And they are usually believers of God. They are devoted to God. They surrender to God, or they are usually believers of some higher powers. So this is a very good sign. And I think you can go to higher levels also very easily. There are two more higher levels which should be easily doable for you. Yeah, if you
Thank
have
you.
any questions, you can ask.
No, sir, no questions. Thank you, sir. Whatever you said is true about me. And
Okay.
by virtue of your knowledge and experience, thank you so much, sir.
So you must be in this state. What you experienced, you must be in this state for at least 15, 20, 30 minutes a day. And slowly you will go to the higher states. Okay. Those higher states will give you freedom from Prakriti. That means nature, Prakriti will not keep you in bondage, will not bind you in limits. You will start becoming limitless. you will start achieving bigger and bigger goals. Bigger and bigger assignments will come to you, bigger and bigger people will come to you. You will become more and more selfless, and you will start doing more and more karma for the world. So, this is a very good sign. And the way to move forward is to practice this for at least 15 to 30 minutes a day. And if you are able to do that, then eventually that force, the higher forces, will automatically pull you to more and more time being devoted for this purpose. And you will start getting divine guidance from inside you. The Guru inside you will awaken. The Ishvara lying dormant inside you will awaken and will give you his infinite knowledge and will take you towards him. You are on the path of becoming a yogi. What you are experiencing is what is experienced in the fourth stage of yoga. There are 6 stages, so you have reached the fourth stage, and this is an achievement. Not many people reach here. Probably 1 in a crore reach here. So this is something extraordinary. So continue the practice, and the inner guru, the eternal guru, the Adi Guru, he's called the Ishvara in yogic language. He has infinite knowledge. He will awaken inside you and start showing you the path. Start showing you all the knowledge. The universal knowledge will open for you. You will become a Brahmagyani. So remember my words and continue further on this path. You are a blessed soul.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, you
Because
seem
I'm
to be
doing
from, huh?
because I'm doing meditation since past 14, 15 years, probably,
Okay,
and your guidance and knowledge has also brought me to this stage. From the last
okay.
session, which you had taught me about the importance of Omkara and the knowledge which you gave 1 year back has helped me a lot. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, but you seem to be from a family where sanskaras are very good. You are from a lineage where people seem to be very spiritual. They have that spiritual bent of mind. And it seems some relation of yours, some forefather or some lady amongst your ancestors has been a big spiritual person, because this is normally not easily seen. What is seen in you, it has to come from the parentage. It has to come in the genes. So it seems to be in you.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. So we close today's session. Yeah, and we meet tomorrow again. Right, Surinder. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Yeah. Good night.